Your next car could be the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The Traverse delivers all-weather capability, sleek styling, a spacious and quiet interior, ample cargo storage, and technology that keeps you safe and connected wherever your adventures may take you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, remote engine start, maximize comfort, minimize stress. Drive the Traverse.